Top 5 Best Rolling Backpack. Number 5. Gotech Rolling Waterproof Backpack. The Gotech Rolling Waterproof Backpack doesn't try to be everything, it just gets the hard stuff right. With a patented 7-inch wheel system, it climbs stairs like it's training for Everest and glides through airports without tipping over like a toddler on skates. No more wrecked bag bottoms or sideways wheels. The ABS handle locks cleanly, the straps are reinforced, and there's even a wheel cover so your pants don't become roadkill. At 50 liter, this beast hauls everything. 2 laptops, files, clothes, snacks, existential dread, whatever fits. The padded laptop compartment cradles a 17-inch machine like it's gold. Bonus points for the RFID pocket, lockable zippers, dual cup holders, and cushioned back panel. 18-inch machine like it's gold. Bonus points for the RFID pocket, lockable zippers, dual cup holders, and cushioned back panel. But perfection isn't free. It's heavy. And the front pocket only has 1 zipper. So if it's overstuffed, opening it feels like defusing a bomb. Also, that tiny outer pocket might fit a charger. Barely. Still, for students, travelers, or commuters who don't want to choose between wheels and shoulder straps, this is a rare hybrid that works on carpet, concrete, or a snow-packed hill outside a college dorm. Just don't expect it to float. Coming in number 4. Kipling Women's Gaze Large Rolling Backpack brings charm to utility, lightweight, stylish, and built to move. With its crinkled nylon finish and signature playful design, it rolls easily between classroom, gate, or office. The 26-liter capacity holds more than it looks, and the 2-wheeled setup with retractable handle makes it a smooth traveler. The best part? Hideaway straps let it shift from shoulder to rolling mode without fuss. But it's not all sunshine. The opening is narrow, barely a few inches, making mid-flight access awkward. The zipper, hidden under fabric, adds to the fumble. And while Kipling nails the look, the lack of internal organization and padded laptop protection feels like a missed layup, especially at this price. The bag works best for petite users. Taller folks may find it short on stride and storage. Some users even modified the interior just to open it wider. A clear sign it could use design tweaks. Still, for those who value flair, portability, and a fun, youthful aesthetic over maximalist function, Gaze rolls with grace. Just don't expect it to be your mobile office, more like your stylish sidekick with a bit of a shy zipper. Coming in number 3. Everki Atlas Wheeled Laptop Backpack. The Everki Atlas Wheeled Laptop Backpack is built like a fortress disguised as a briefcase. Designed for serious professionals, it holds up to 30 liters while fitting laptops as big as 17.3 inches, with space left for chargers, files, water bottles, and the stress of a transatlantic flight. The real highlight is its hybrid function. Wheel it through the terminal, or strap it on for that last staircase in Prague. Storage is generous, with well-divided compartments and a removable felt-lined sleeve that protects devices or frees up space. The TSA-friendly design adds real-world value, especially when racing through checkpoints. Build quality is top-tier. Durable zippers, quiet wheels, and a handle that, while not perfect, performs better than most. It's not winning fashion awards. The look is strictly utilitarian. Those orange wheels aren't subtle. And fully loaded, it gets heavy. Those orange wheels aren't subtle. And fully loaded, it gets heavy. Some awkwardness when unzipping while upright makes you lay it flat to access things without chaos. Still, it adapts like few others. Business trips, cobblestones, or years of daily grind. For anyone juggling travel, tech, and tight connections, this isn't just a backpack. It's a mobile command center. One that just might outlive your next 5 laptops. Coming in number 2. Kipling Women's Gaze Large Rolling Backpack. The Kipling Gaze Large Rolling Backpack walks the line between playful charm and practical travel gear. Wrapped in Kipling's signature crinkled nylon, it's water-resistant, easy to clean, and deceptively light at just over 4 pounds. With a 26-liter capacity, it's compact but surprisingly roomy. 3 compartments before even opening the main one. Its hybrid design lets it switch between roll and carry mode, though not flawlessly. The straps don't tuck away cleanly, often dragging and fraying if not manually stuffed into the back pocket. A zippered strap pouch would have saved some heartbreak here. And while the bag looks ready for anything, the inside tells another story. No inner zip pockets, no dividers, and no luggage strap to stack it on a bigger suitcase. That said, the gaze shines where many backpacks flop. Mobility, personality, and comfort. The retractable handle works smoothly, the wheels glide without clatter, and the overall build feels sturdy. Perfect for overnights, airports, or just looking cute while wheeling through campus. Form over function? Maybe. But for those who love a stylish sidekick that can roll with the punches, literally, this one hits the sweet spot, even if it skips a few basics. Coming in number 1. JanSport Driver 8 Rolling Backpack. The JanSport Driver 8 Rolling Backpack earns its place as the go-to gear hauler for students, professionals, and anyone whose daily grind requires serious cargo. With 2 large compartments, a padded 15-inch laptop sleeve, and an organizer pocket that feels like a control panel, this bag is built for those carrying entire days in a single trip. The wheels are smooth, the handle slides out cleanly, and the construction feels tough enough to face school years or office commutes without flinching. Function meets flexibility. Roll it through terminals or wear it with the tucked-away shoulder straps when stairs strike. Reinforced bottoms and rubber bumpers shield it from the punishment of city curbs or locker room floors. It's not just roomy, it's built with purpose. It fits laptops, binders, clothes, lunch, and even a water bottle, though just one side pocket, sadly. There are minor gripes. It's built with purpose. It fits laptops, binders, clothes, lunch, and even a water bottle, though just one side pocket, sadly. There are minor gripes. No pencil slot, a T-handle some prefer less, and a shape that can get chunky when full. But JanSport backs it with a real lifetime warranty, and proves it. This is a bag that doesn't just carry things, it carries you through semesters, flights, and the small chaos of everyday life.